With immense joy and deep respect, we extend our heartfelt congratulations to Abubakar Umar Abba on his confirmation as Dan Isa Daula Adamawa by the esteemed District Head of Yola, Alhaji Zubairu Adamu Bawuro Mustapha. This prestigious title is a testament to his unwavering dedication, integrity, and commitment to the progress of his people and the rich tradition of Adamawa State. Our profound appreciations goes to Alhaji Zubairu Adamu Bawuro Mustapha, the District Head of Yola, for his remarkable leadership, wisdom, and commitment to upholding the cultural heritage of Adamawa State. His foresight in bestowing this honor reflects his dedication to recognizing and empowering individuals who serve the community with honor and integrity. We also extend our sincere gratitude to His Royal Highness Alhaji Barkindo Ali Mustapha, the Lamido of Adamawa and revered leader of the Adamawa Emirate Council. His royal wisdom, eloquent leadership, and exemplary service continue to shape the Emirate, preserving its legacy and fostering unity among the people. His remarkable recommendation for this title is a reflection of his unwavering commitment to excellence and tradition.
Daula Adamawa.
Kuma Salihu Musa na aiki tare da shi a Adamawa Liquid Bank. Sunana Samuel Tuba na Umar.
Samuel Tuba. Your place is familiar.
Musan kuyi aiki da
haka.
Abba Abdulnasir Ali.
Kai ma kana aiki da shi ne?
Yola ko yara ne ko.
Okay.
Sunana Nasu Muhammad da APC Yola.
Okay. Okay.
Sunana Ali Umar Abba. Ni sani ne da.
Okay.
Na da kuma na sani ne.
Okay. That's the idea.
Abdulnasir Ali, General Manager.
Na Abubakar da Umar. Sunana Umar Adamu ne Sadabawa. Sunana Nuwa da Fatis Daula.
Ai kyau sosai. Rode. GM. Ai kwana biyu ban faɗi ba. San kuma kai ne do shi dan Isa ya ga min kwanakin ba. Kace kai kake yajin ABC. Kace ai mun saba da kai sosai. Allah. Yes. Ya dade sosai. Yana da kyau. Allah ya tari wa.
Lokacin da Island ta
Look at it.
We also give special thanks to His Excellency Right Honorable Ahmadu Umaru Fintiri, the Governor of Adamawa State, popularly known as Fresh Air. His leadership, vision, and unwavering support for the traditional institution and the overall development of Adamawa State continue to uplift and transform the lives of its people. His ability to nurture progress, while respecting cultural heritage makes him a true leader of the people.
As the spokesman of this group, I want to thank our royal father for granting us audience.
Dan Isa Daula Adamawa Abubakar Umar Abba, this title is not just an honor, but a call to greater service. We are confident that under this new responsibility, you will uphold the value of leadership, unity and progress, serving as a beacon of hope and inspiration to the people of Adamawa State. May this new chapter bring peace, development and prosperity to the land. Once again, congratulations on this well-deserved honor. Long live the Adamawa Emirate, long live the District Head of Yola, long live His Royal Highness, the Lamido of Adamawa State.
Abubakar Umar, that is Daula Adamawa, is a man of honor and integrity. Very straightforward in his dealings. A caring neighbor, patriotic citizen, and hardworking person who really deserve the title you have given him. I assure you that he will not disappoint you or the people of your Yola district. I will also assure you that his friends, neighbors, and relatives will guide and advise him to do what is right. On behalf of the Eastern Adamawa, I pledge his loyalty to the District Head of Yola, and most importantly, to the Lamido of Adamawa, Dr. Abdulnasir Ali Mustapha, Adamawa Emirate Council, Adamawa State Government. Conclusion, I seek for the Daula Adamawa, the Cooporation of the Palace, and fellow title holders, enable him to be the best. Once more, we say thank you, sir, for the trust and opportunity given to Abubakar. Thank you, sir. Serve as thank you, sir. Thank you and God bless. Wannan ke da magana ko?
Alhaji Umar Abubakar mutum ne sananne wanda zan ce ma is part of us or part of our family. Don mun zauna da shi shekara da shekaru, ya sa na ce is part of us. Kuma mutum ne a gentleman to the core. Because of that, na ga ya kamata in honoring shi this title na Isa. Because mutum ne da koyaushe in ka zauna da shi, at least from maganar shi za ka gane wannan mutum ne da wanda zai kai gundumar mu cin gaba. So based on that, dama mu ba za mu ba mutum title ba sai mun ga zai ciyar da mu gaba, irrespective of tribe nashi ko kuma religion din shi. So ba abun mamaki ba shi wannan title kamar yadda na gamu kamu ɗaya ne, as a part of us, as a part of our family, mun daɗe da shi. Da only ce abin da zan faɗa, Allah ya taya shi riko. Allah ya taya shi riko. Yawwa. Because even kun san su ya samu ɗan damuwa. But ni chairman ne na board of directors na Adamawa Emirate Council Properties. So da muka yi taking over, mun ce mu nemi new management. So na ga ba wanda ke kusa da ni wanda ya dace da zai managing wannan gujin, sai na yi submitting sunan shi. So amma Allah da ikonsa kuma gujinsu ya sake reviving. an koma da shi Abuja. But during that his short tenure, at least ya ciyar da kujin gaba. So mun gode sosai. Mutum da wanda kamar yadda na ga muku duk inda ka saka shi, he try his best. Ba zai kunyatar da kai ba. Haka Abubakar mun gode sosai. Kuma dan Isa mun gode sosai. Allah ta kare. Sannu.
Ɗayan ku yi mana addu'a.
Salati goma.
ونحن عبيدك ونحن على عهدك ووعدك ما استطعنا نعوذ بك من شر ما صنعنا نبوء لك بنعمتك علينا.
اللهم اسالك عفوا والعافيه في الدنيا والاخره. اللهم انصرنا على اعداء الاسلام والمسلمين. اللهم ثبت اقدامنا. ربنا لا تؤاخذنا ان نسينا ربنا ولا تحمل علينا إسرا كما حملته على الذين ربنا ولا تحملنا ما لا طاقة لنا به واعف عنا واغفر لنا وارحمنا أنت مولانا فانصرنا على القوم الكافرين. الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين صراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين.
To, na gode muku sosai.
Wanda ke gefen nan tare mu kai magana.